Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M, and I'm so excited that you're here visiting me with my channel today. I want to make sure that I show you exactly what you need to do to win big in government contracts, government cleaning contracts. The federal marketplace is fantastic, but there are quite a few moving parts, and the whole purpose of this YouTube channel is to let you know exactly what you need to do glove cleaning contracts, and this is the goal, is to simplify that process for you. So I'm going to talk today about an actual phone call we received, and the phone call was, when is the best time to make sure that you've got everything registered before you submit your proposal? And they're talking about making sure they have everything when it comes to SAMS. So you want to make sure that you are actually registered in SAMS, and SAMS is System for Award Management. That's what SAMS stands for. And it is a requirement. You cannot do business with the federal government without being registered in SAMS. So when you get ready to submit your proposal for an RFP, which is request for proposal, you want to make sure that you've already registered in SAMS. Because what you don't want to happen is have the government come back and disbar you. That means, no, you did not do something right. You cannot go forward with doing government contracts. And if they disbar you, that is very serious. It means they will put you down as like non-responsive, because if you submit that contract and God forbid you forget to do everything you need to do to register in SAMS, and this contracting officer likes what you submitted, they are going to go onto SAMS. The very first thing they're going to do, that's the basic check that they do, is go into SAMS to see if you're registered. And if you're not, you're going to become disbarred when it comes to doing government contracts. So that's not something you want. It's not a good look, as we would say. The other thing we get a lot of questions about is, when is the best time to start submitting these contracts? Well, believe it or not, all time is really great for doing contracts, but the best times are September. September is one of the best times. 8.1% of contracts are done within the last 2 weeks of the month of September, and something like 17 point something percent is done in the month of September, because the government's fiscal year starts October 1st. So this is a good time as well. October, November, December. So when is the slowest time? The slowest time is around June and July. That is one of the slowest times when it comes to actually beginning awarded contracts. But if you are on your game and you are constantly learning what you need to do, writing great proposals, and updating your capability statement, making your profile in SAMS stand out, and building those relationships with key players, it's a great time all the time when it comes for you winning government contracts. If you'd like to know more and really make this process more simplified, then register for my How to Win Big with Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. I go into step by step on what you need to do to actually be able to compete in the federal marketplace. So if that sounds like something you're really ready to stop being on the sideline and get in the game and start making this money that is out there for all of us, set aside making sure that your SAMS profile, and there's a couple of other little things that we actually show our students, then I would love for you to come to my masterclass so you can learn that and so much more. It's about an hour. We do a Q&A session. We answer questions after the presentation. You would love it, especially if you come and join on a desktop or a laptop. But I'd love to see you there. It's a live event, lots of interaction, and we have a really great time. So if that sounds like something you'd love to do, you're serious about upping the game and really learning about how to win big government contracts, then this is the place for you. How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. And until next time, I want you to be safe, take care, and this is your host, Mrs. M, saying bye-bye.